In this video, we'll explore how to fix layout issues caused by regular padding using a powerful tool in SwiftUI called SafeAreaPadding. It's a small modifier that can make a big difference in how your views behave inside a scroll view. We're starting with a clean horizontal scroll view. Inside, we've added 5 rounded rectangles side by side. Right now, everything works perfectly, we can scroll, and all the content is visible. Now, I'm going to add padding 20 to the scroll view. This is something we often do to give the layout a little breathing room, but watch what happens. The padding pushed everything inward. Now the scroll view is clipped. We've lost part of the scroll view on both sides. This doesn't look good, and it breaks the clean design we had. Instead of using padding, we'll use SafeAreaPadding instead. This gives us the same spacing, but in a way that respects the scroll area and safe layout guides. SafeAreaPadding is a great replacement for padding when working with scroll views. It helps keep your content visible and avoids layout bugs, especially near the screen edges. In the second example, we'll look at a common real-life layout, a sign-up form in ScrollView. We'll see what happens when we don't use SafeAreaPadding, and then fix it using a simple trick to make the form keyboard-friendly. Let's start with a simple sign-up view. It includes a title, description, and 5 input fields, all inside a ScrollView. But here's the problem. If we tap on the last text field, like confirm password, and the keyboard appears, the scroll view doesn't move. The bottom fields get hidden behind the keyboard, and we can't see what we're typing. The view doesn't respond to the keyboard, and that breaks the user experience. Now here's the real fix. We'll add SafeAreaPadding from bottom 130. At first, you won't notice any change. Everything still looks the same when the keyboard is hidden. Now, if we tap on the last text field, the scroll view moves up. We can now see the text field and the sign up button clearly, even with the keyboard on screen. No clipping, no hidden content, just a smooth experience.